So, got a bent phone. Very bent phone.
And we are going to fix it.
It's bent.
The new J phone is bent.
Bent. Right about there. So, here's the Earth. Round. With the proper repair technique, you can fix anything. Applying 3 small blocks with 2 vices works great.
No, you have to do it like the true videos on YouTube that take forever to explain.
Okay, so this is a block of wood.
See, this is a bent phone.
It's the phone. Again, it's bent.
It's a black iPhone.
It's the black one, so
Didn't
it's
notice.
black buttons. It's bent. So we're going to use 3 pieces of wood. This is 1, 2, 3. We cut them down to size.
Should we label them?
A, B, and C.
I like X, Y, and Z.
Well, I like alpha, beta, theta. Theta.
You gotta open the clamp.
Tata.
What?
See,
Counterclockwise.
this way, or clockwise if you're looking at it this way.
Who's
Cutting board.
We got to stack our pizza pie. Propped up. Proper elevation, about 3 inches, centimeters.
It must be on that lovely pottery.
We got a nasty kink on the iPhone. Right about there. Applying the clamp ever so gingerly.
Gingerly.
Oh yeah, you could see the warp. Lauren, you were in the background.
It's like a warped tour. I'm just tying my shoes.
Look good?
Clamp the shit out of it. Excuse my language, YouTube.
Clamp that beep.
Beep!
I can't be looking at that.
Holy
Lord Jesus, it's a
cards are
fire.
falling.
Don't worry, we saw this on YouTube. It works.
With some slight modifications.
Oh yeah.
That's when we didn't want to spend 4 days doing it.
Pretty good, right?
I'd give it a little more so you'll bend back. Don't buckle that sign in there.
Well, at least when you break it, you'll have video proof of what we're...
Back it up, see where it far swings back.
Do you want me to hold this?
That wood's just kind of dinging in. You gotta give it more than that, boy. She's like a fucking Pringle.
Little straighter.
Holy shit.
Little straighter for
Hold
sure.
it down here. Let me see the proper angle of the dangle.
She's still bent.
This part is like bent out.
Boy, that looks like a Pringle
Doesn't
potato
that look
chip.
like it's like...
No, that's not bent at all, Lauren.
Okay.
Is that the Bowflex power?
Finish our video, boys.
I have to go to bed
So-
in 2 hours, so I'm just letting you know.
What about moving?
Not perfect. But I'd say it's a bit better.
Flat.
Still see a little wave. But she ain't
But the
too
Ding
bad.
King repaired it.
The ding pin. So, I will sell this kit. 3 blocks of wood. I put my vices away.
Toothpick.
Toothpick. Watch, repair. And
Sunglass repair.
I had a
I'm just
sand
gonna
glass.
say watch.
I had to sand it down on the concrete out front.
And
to
don't
get
forget
the
to
right-
wear your shades, fellas. Because the sun
Protection.
never sets on a badass.
Never sets. But there she is. Almost kinked free.
Vertical, aesthetically pleasing.
Quit moving. Just a little kink left in it, but much better. Alrighty. Done deal.